At one point, my savings account had just $27 in it. 27 lonely dollars sitting there, mocking me every time I checked. And no, I didn't magically land a six-figure job. I didn't win the lottery. I didn't work 80 hours a week or pick up a second job. Instead, I made a few strategic moves that transformed those $27 into over $10,000 while still working a normal 9 to 5. Here's exactly how I did it. No second job, no extreme frugality, no miracle windfalls, just smart strategy anyone can copy. When 27 was all I had. I wasn't irresponsible, I wasn't lazy. Life just kept getting more expensive. And somehow, even though I was working hard, my bank account never seemed to grow. Rent. Car payments. Student loans. A few dinners out here and there, and boom, paycheck gone. Seeing just $27 left after bills was the slap in the face I needed. It was clear. Working harder wasn't the answer. Working smarter was. 1. I created a no-excuse emergency fund goal. First, I made a non-negotiable goal, $1,000 emergency fund no matter what. Why $1,000? It's enough to cover most minor emergencies, car repair, medical bill, etc. So you don't have to rely on credit cards and debt. I didn't just hope to save it. I treated it like rent mandatory. I broke it down $250 a month, $62.50 a week, around $9 a day. Suddenly, it didn't feel impossible. It felt doable. Even on tight weeks, I found $9 a day just by skipping snacks, ride shares, and unnecessary shopping. 2. I started spending money like it was oxygen. Every dollar became a conscious decision. Before buying anything, I asked myself, is this spending moving me toward my $10,000 goal or away from it? Sounds dramatic, maybe? But that mindset alone saved me hundreds. I didn't cut everything fun, I just prioritized. Instead of buying coffee every morning, I made it at home, saving $80 a month. Instead of random Target runs, I made strict lists and stuck to them. Instead of expensive nights out, I planned potlucks and game nights. I didn't feel deprived. I felt powerful because every saved dollar was another brick in my financial fortress. 3. I automated everything. Willpower fades, systems don't. I set up an automatic transfer $50 every Friday from my checking to my savings. Rain or shine, good week or bad week. If it wasn't automatic, I would have forgotten to save whenever life got busy. Automation took emotions out of it, and that's what built momentum. 4. I opened a high-yield savings account. One that paid me real interest, not 0.01% like my old bank. Even just getting 4 to 5% APY added free money to my savings every month. I made a rule. Savings only move in one direction up. No dipping in unless it was a real emergency. Seeing that interest pile up even just a few bucks at first felt like getting paid to be disciplined. 5. I sold stuff I forgot I owned. One weekend, I got ruthless. I looked around my apartment and realized I was surrounded by hundreds of dollars worth of unused junk. Old clothes, gadgets, books I wasn't reading, a dusty guitar. I listed it all on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and OfferUp. In just 1 month, I made $2,200 selling things I didn't even miss. That money went straight to savings, no questions asked. 6. I found micro-income streams without a second job. I didn't get a second job, but I did find tiny ways to earn extra. Freelance writing gigs, $50 here, $100 there. Cashback apps when shopping online. Credit card rewards, paid off in full, never carrying debt. Surveys and micro-tasks during downtime. It wasn't glamorous, but those small, steady wins added 1,000 plus over 6 months. Small money, handled smartly, becomes big money. 7. I treated every bonus or windfall like it didn't exist. Anytime I got unexpected money tax refund, birthday gift, company bonus, I pretended I never saw it. Straight into savings. 0 lifestyle upgrades. Over 2 years, just doing this added over $2,500 to my savings without any pain. The Snowball Effect. How $1,000 became $10,000. Once I crossed that first 1,000, something clicked. Saving got easier, not harder. My spending habits had changed. My mindset had shifted. My systems were automatic. And interest plus side hustles plus random windfalls kept accelerating the process. What started with $27 slowly snowballed. $100, $500, $1,000, $3,000, $7,500, $10,000. Without a second job, without burning out. Just small, smart, consistent actions stacking up day after day. You don't need more time, you need a better plan. If you're sitting there with $27 in your account, or maybe even less, know this. You're not doomed, you're not broken. You don't need to kill yourself with overtime. You need a simple, aggressive, consistent plan, and you need to start today, not tomorrow. Start messy, start small, just start. Because the first $27 is the hardest. After that, it's just momentum. And if I can do it, trust me, so can you.